Yun, good morning, Chalvan TV. Yun, ayun, ganda ng ating beautiful car, T-Roc. O yan, what time now? Yun, mag-alas 12 na. Ayan, ang loob ng T-Roc. New T-Roc. Ito vehicles. Pasilip natin. Ayan, punta tayo rito. Iparking natin to kasama ng isa. Pasilip tayo ng bagong T-Roc, mga katsuban. Dito makakita nyo yung ganda ng ating pinasilip. Volkswagen T-Roc. Ayan yung isa, T-Roc. Dito natin ilagay yung isa. Spacious. Looking small car but spacious inside. See? You see? I'm heavy, I'm big, but it's nice to fit to driving. Off natin. Ayun. Pakita natin yung kanyang loob. Ayan. Ayan, bagong T-Roc Volkswagen Das Auto. Ang ganda ng kulay niya, yung trending na kulay niya ngayon. Ayan, black inside, but it's very nice and beautiful. See, maliit siyang tingnan, small, but it's very spacious inside. Ayan, tingnan yung baggage here. Ang laki. Ayun, nandiyan ang reserve, ang kanyang tools, clothes, T-Roc. If you can see outside, there's a small vehicle, right? But if you come inside, it's very spacious and good quality of car, because this is Volkswagen from Germany made. Ayan. Ayun. Ano man naman dito sa loob. Ayan. USB cable. Yan, Chalvan TV. Good morning. December 31, Rizal Day in the Philippines. Happy Rizal Days. Ngayon ay araw ng ating pambansang bayaning si Rizal. Sabay ng ating pasilip dito sa Das Auto Volkswagen T-Roc. Yan, bye-bye everyone. God bless us all. Happy New Year. Bye-bye.